How do you transform your watercolor illustration from this to this? The answer is layering. Hello lovely people, I am Bianca Lustre, an aspiring watercolor artist from Batangas, Philippines who loves books, cats, and brush rests. It's been a habit of mine to paint daily since 2018, and I am happy to share with you what I learned through my experience. Before learning how to layer, my watercolor illustrations look flat and pale. But now, they are more vibrant and have depth in them, which adds interests on these pieces. In this class, we'll have fun illustrating this simple yet pretty fairy house while discussing how to properly layer watercolors, avoid common mistakes, and review the water to pigment ratio, which is important in controlling the consistency of the paint. This class is beginner-friendly, but experienced artists and hobbyists are welcome to join the fun. As a bonus, we'll also paint another fairy house with this lovely autumn palette. So, grab your materials and let's get started.